In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Ads Keyword Planner tool, a powerful resource for finding keywords that could boost your digital marketing efforts. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide to using this tool effectively and efficiently. To begin, make sure you have a Google Ads account set up and signed in. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard known as the Overview page. This is your starting point. If you're unfamiliar with Google Ads, the overview is where you can get a snapshot of your campaigns and performance metrics. It's a good habit to get comfortable navigating through this area, as it will help you better understand the broader context of your planning activities. Now let's proceed by hovering over the tools icon found on the top right corner of the Google Ads interface. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. The tools menu is designed to give you access to the different features Google Ads offers, such as billing, account settings, and the focus of our tutorial today, planning. Under the tools menu, you will find a section labeled planning. Click on this and you'll see several options appear. We are interested specifically in the keyword planner, so go ahead and click on that. The keyword planner is an integral feature within Google Ads designed to help you research and identify the best keywords for your campaigns. This tool not only assists in discovering new keywords, but also provides insights into historical search data and forecasts. Now, with the keyword planner open, you'll want to navigate to the section titled Discover New Keywords. Clicking here leads you to the core function of this tool, finding fresh keyword ideas that are relevant to your business or niche. This section allows you to search for keywords based on your product or service, helping you expand your keyword lists and attract more potential customers. In the input field provided, type in the keywords you wish to explore. It could be a single word or a phrase related to your business. Be creative and think about the terms your customers might use when searching for your products or services. After entering your keywords, simply click on the Get Results button. The tool will generate a comprehensive list of keyword suggestions, along with useful metrics such as average monthly searches, competition levels, and bid estimates for each keyword. With this information, you can make informed decisions on which keywords to target in your campaigns to optimize your reach and effectiveness. By following these steps, you can leverage the Google Ads Keyword Planner tool to its full potential, empowering your marketing strategies with data-driven insights. Don't hesitate to explore different keyword options and run your own tests to see what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.